July monthly predictions. 2021. Capricorn. General. Capricorn people will find this month beneficial, with some minor setbacks only, since the planets will be well placed from your moon sign. You will do well in your family life. You will be passionate, and if you use the planetary energy in a good way, you will succeed. There can be some minor issues at work due to some rivalry or competition with colleagues. But you can easily overcome obstacles through hard work, intellect, creativity, and faith. Be calm. Health needs to be looked after this month, and you may be stressed due to too much focus on work. Students may need to focus better to get the desired results. Career. This month can give you mixed news, and there can be some delays, so be calm and patient. Also, avoid miscommunication with colleagues. There will be some competition at work, and someone may be hatching a conspiracy behind you, which you should be careful about. The planets can make you conquer your foes, and you will be liked for your openness. Love relationships. Love can be challenging now this month, as planets like Saturn are going over your natal moon, so it is bound to bring some misunderstandings with your partner and in-laws. Mutual love and understanding will see you through this difficult phase. You must learn to adjust to challenges in any relationship. Your communication may be a little rude to your partner, and that can upset your partner, so be careful. Divine technique for marital harmony. Venus Puja. Finances. Some financial pressures may be there on you this month, and sudden unexpected expenses may come to you, and this may cause stress. You need to repay debts, and some financial problems can occur within your family. You will feel stressed as you don't have a steady income source. Money flow can be average for you, but this month you will be safe and will not have to borrow money or take new loans from anyone. Try to save money and spend wisely. You can be rich. Divine technique to improve your finances. Mars Puja. Health. Your health can be average this month, and work stress can cause severe headache. But you may not need any medical attention. Since planets are looking at your natal moon and Saturn is placed here, a lot of stress can trigger some health issues. Try to meditate and do exercise. Eat healthy food and pray to God. Divine technique to improve your health. Jupiter Puja. Business. As the positions of the planets suggest, partnership business can be good for you this month, but be careful of fights and some unexpected miscommunication with business partners. Only if you use polite speech can you have a good business growth this month. You may meet your future business partners, but due to your anger and rigidity, you may come across as somewhat negative to them. So be careful and avoid risky deals this month. Do not invest in some new projects. Professionals. Capricorn natives who are professionals are research-oriented and smart. They like to research everything, pros and cons of any action, before committing to any task. Your seniors will appreciate your research skills and praise you this month, but there can be some competition at work. You may feel well recognized, but a promotion or salary hike can take time. You may feel disappointed by the delay. Divine technique to improve your career. Saturn Puja. Student. Students will have a good month, but they must work doubly hard to get admission to desired courses and in clearing exams. They may have new ambitions and dreams, and they may be able to fulfill them. But they may suffer from a lack of confidence at times. They will be supported by family, friends, and teachers. Divine technique to improve your education. Mars Puja. Auspicious dates: 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 10, 11, 13, 17, 18, 23, 24, 25, 21, 28, 29, and 30. Inauspicious dates: 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20, 22, 26, 27, and 31.